my gosh, Pip and Squeak are my favorites. So that's Squeak. Squeak is just learning how to get his food. And I guess Pip is the dad. And see, Squeak still wants to be fed. Oh. There's Squeak. When Dad's not around, Squeak does just fine. But then once Dad's around, he's like, I don't know how to do it. I can't eat, Dad. Feed me. Please. Please, Dad. Just a little bit. And Pip is trying to encourage independence. Squeak is just like, I want... There we go. Oh my goodness, Squeak. You're acting like a baby bird. You don't need Daddy to feed you. It's like, fine, hold on, let me chew it first. Pip has that orange on his head, and I find Squeak's fluff on his head always looks a little more puffy than Sophia and Sam's, and plus they're a little bigger. Squeak's a little puffball. They're the funniest. That's gone. Now you gotta eat for yourself. Uh-oh, look at Daddy brought you some food. Oh my gosh. Pip, Squeak, you guys are the cutest. Look at Squeak's fluffiness. Oh my goodness, baby. You need to eat on your own. You can do it. You just need to do it. What are you looking at, Squeak? You're the loudest. All right. Bye, guys.